We've all come to a career crossroads, trying to determine what we need to do versus what we want to do. And you might find that the detour leads you to decide, I want to work for myself. I'm tired of the crap that the daily grind delivers. I'm sick of sitting in useless meetings with invaluable people. I can't stand listening to my boss talk to hear himself talk. I ask you this, what if you changed your point of view and looked at a bad situation as a means to better your life? What if you believed in yourself enough to leap to start your own company? I get that the idea of pursuing something unknown, a business proposition that doesn't produce a bi-weekly paycheck, and the idea of being alone in a new venture, is frightening. But what if you took the chance? So what's the motivation for staying in a career or job you don't love? It's security. But I'll warn you, don't spend the rest of your life in a damn bubble. All we have left are our memories, experiences, and our hopes that we built a legacy. You, and only you, can choose to pursue your dream of creating a brand, a great company, from the top down. So what 5 top competencies do you need to become a great entrepreneur? You're willing to take control of your destiny. You have the power to break free from the constraints of someone else telling you what your mission in life is. I mean, come on, this isn't elementary school anymore. If you're fed up with your current situation, do something about it. And if you're passionate about an idea, follow it wholeheartedly. You believe that you can empower others. As Donald Trump once said, watch, listen, and learn. You can't know it all yourself. Anyone who thinks they do is destined for mediocrity. Initially, you might find yourself alone trying to figure out how and when to start your own business. But that's when you seek the best to help guide, motivate, and ultimately partner with you to build one hell of a great company. You become flexible and open-minded to allow others to help shape or reshape your destiny. You have street smarts. And enough knowledge to know that, in many cases, college, universities and textbooks don't necessarily lead you in the right direction. Several well-known cases of exceptional, world-renowned entrepreneurs dropping out of school. What you have learned and your life experience is what gives you the right to go out on your own. Intrinsically, you know where you are now, where you want to go, and how you will get there. You won't, at any cost, give up. Steve Jobs said, I'm convinced that about half of what separates the successful entrepreneurs from the non-successful ones is pure perseverance. Winners don't stop. They don't wave the white flag. They figure out what they love and then build a business. I might be making this sound too simple, but it's accurate and necessary if you want to be a business owner. You're creative and persuasive. I've said it before, and I'll remind you again, if you don't brand and market yourself, no one else will. You have to find your voice. You have to define and communicate your value. One of the greatest myths about business success is that eventually, your business, personal abilities, products, or services will be discovered and embraced by the masses, beating a path to your door to buy what you are selling. But how can this happen if no one knows who you are, what product or service you sell, and why they should buy? Creativity and self-promotion are 2 of the most beneficial yet underutilized persuasive tools business owners have at their immediate disposal. Envision your drive as light. Let it physically manifest so powerfully that no one can look at you. You can do this. I believe in you. So, I'll leave you with a quote from the famous, inspirational Walt Disney. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing.